What's up, team Fullest? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to up my canal. So guys, I'm bringing 2 videos in one time. So if you see this face again, do not get offended. Your girl don't have a lot of time, so the little time we're having, we're making a good use out of it. So today I want to come and demo / review this Makeup Revolution Glass Black Eye Illuminator. So I picked this up. I've shown you guys this product on one of my videos. I'll pin the video right here or here if you guys have not seen it. But today we're here to do a demo / review on this product. So this is what this one look like a diamond kind of theme going on. I really like it. It looks really nice. I'm not really into packaging, but it looks beautiful. I'm not really obsessed about packaging. So when you open it, this is what you get. Really nice. The only thing is that it has some fingerprints on it. So really nice, really like diamond, black diamond kind of theme. Really beautiful. So this is what the product look like at the back. Can you guys see that? Bring it closer to the camera. Focus. No. Okay. So here's a plastic. I have to first remove this one before I open it. Ooh, this is what the product is looking like. It has a beautiful mirror, and this is what the product is looking like. So some of you guys like swatches. Before we jump into this video, guys, do not forget to hit that subscribe button that says subscribe, the red button that says subscribe there, and press on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. I upload videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but sometimes I do upload videos every day, like from Monday till Friday, and then sometimes in the weekend I do, but in the weekend it's more like resting days. So if I don't upload those 3 days that is on my YouTube world, I do upload every day, and you don't want to miss that out. So subscribe and press the notification bell. And I have some really great haul coming. I have Pretty Little Things clothing haul coming. I don't think you want to miss that. So subscribe. So guys, let me do swatch for you guys, because I know some of you guys want to see swatch, and knowing that my swatching game is bad, so don't complain. So this is the product. I'm going to do some swatch for you. Okay, I'm gonna try to put it at the darker part of my hands. Yep. Ooh, that is beautiful. Really beautiful. Really nice. Can you guys see that? Very beautiful. But actually, for me, I'm not really focused about swatching on the skin. It's more of testing the product on the face, and let's see how it's performed. So now you guys have seen the swatch. Let's test this product on the face. I'm gonna take this mini brush. First, I'm gonna try to highlight my brow bone. Do you see that? Don't take too much. A little bit go a long way. Okay, we don't want too much highlight on the brow bone. Just a little bit go a long way. A little bit go a long way. And then I'm gonna take a little bit, put it in the inner corner of the eyes, like right in here. Ooh, you guys see how my eyes just like wake up? Yes, so now let's just take that and highlight the nose. I love gold highlighters. Any highlighters that has a golden undertone, golds really suit my skin. Like anything that's gold. Like of course, when I wear a silver ring, it does also suit my skin. This is AMIFULLEST. This is AMIFULLEST ring. So gold really suit my skin. So I love highlighters that has gold. Like it's just like, let's just get that loose. Bang. But anyway, this is so beautiful. I like it. I do. And I picked this highlighter on sales. So that's why the video is like super late. I didn't get it on its original price. It was on sales. I can't remember the price anymore, but if you guys watch that haul, I'll show you guys the price. And I'm going to take a clean brush. Let's just... Ooh, do you see that? Do you see that? Ooh, this is so beautiful. Do you see that? And I'm just gonna bring it a little bit upwards like this. Like this. Like this. Ooh, this is so beautiful. I'm gonna bring it a little bit upwards. I'm gonna try to just blend this one a little bit because the pigment is giving me life. Gonna take a little bit and let's highlight the chin. Guys, do you see that glow? Do you see that? Do you see that? This is beautiful, and it was on sales. It's really nice, and I love the fact that it has like a really nice mirror, even though the mirror is not like very big, but it is very beautiful. I do like it. I like it. I like it. It's so nice. Okay. Let's do a thumbnail. I'm even using my phone, so I don't know how I'm going to get that screenshot. This is like this. Okay. So like when you highlight it, you just see like, I don't know. I'm gonna just screenshot the screen and get me some thumbnails. So yeah, this is looking pretty good. Let me know what you all think. It was on sales. I don't know if it's still on the bougie shop, but I picked it up on sales, and I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. So guys, let's set this face. So yeah, it's very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Oh yeah. My nose is running because I'm so under the holy cords. I'm still under the weather. No, under the weather, but like holy cords. Yeah, so I have a little bit of runny nose. But anyway, so now let's set this face. I'm going to use the... I need a setting spray, not a primer setting spray. Let's use this Milani setting spray because this is almost finished. So let's just finish it. I'm gonna use set my face. So team, let's say. So guys, this is the finished result with the highlighter. This highlighter is popping. Like, I love it. Like, I know I love so many things. Every time I come on this channel, I'll be like, I love this product. No, not all the time. I've definitely come here with one makeup revelation concealer that I didn't like. So it's not everything I like, but if I like something, I like something. That's just how it is. So it's not everything I like. I do have some stuff that I don't like, but when I like something, I like it. That's just how I can't. The expression of my face is just like, yes. No, but this one I really like it for the fact I pick it up on sales and they end up working good. You can't tell me that this is not beautiful. Like, I have so much highlighters. I need to kind of clean up my makeup collection. I have a bunch of highlighters and makeup that I don't even use. I have a palette here that I don't even use, and I'm just buying more palettes. So one of these days, you guys are going to come along with me, and we're going to clear some of the palette that I don't actually use and keep some of them. So that's another video coming. I'm going to clean up because I have so much palette here. So much stuff that I don't actually use. So much, like a lot. Like, I can't remember the last time I actually used this or this or this or a lot of stuff that I don't even use anymore. So we're gonna come one day. You guys are gonna come with me and let's clean up my makeup things, like eyeshadows. I need to get rid of some eyeshadows. Foundation, I can keep them. Lipstick, no, I can't really give anybody lipstick because I've already put it on my lip. But eyeshadows, I don't really go in. I don't really do swatches on my eyeshadows. I don't really go in with my fingers. I normally go in with brush. So I feel like eyeshadows, I can give it away to friends or family members, anybody that wants it. But yeah, lipstick. No, lipstick I keep them because I have so much nude lipstick. Some of you guys, if you guys see my lipstick collection, you're gonna be like, what? I do have some colors because sometimes I like to try color stuff. But yeah, I'll take this topic from highlighter to palettes to clean up to, you know, no, but anyway, yeah. So guys, I hope you all like this video. I really love this highlighter. It's so beautiful. It's very soft. I love gold highlighters. Any highlighter that has a gold undertone, warmness to the face, because you guys know I don't really put blush. So highlighter and bronzing kind of really bring out that my face features back together, and I really like it. So I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook page. All the links will be down in the description box. And what else? Do you have any questions? Do you guys have anything that you guys want me to know? Follow me on my Instagram, let me know, or drop your questions right under this video in the comment box. I will leave all the product I use. Anyways, this is the only highlighter I use. If you guys want to know how I get this look, that video will be up soon. But I will leave everything I use in the comments box, in the description box. Also, vergeet niet te abonneren. En vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram kanaal, op mijn Facebook pagina. This is your girl Amy. Heb je vragen? Laat me weten in de comment box. En als je wil mij volgen op Instagram en op Facebook, alle link is beneden in de beschrijvingsbox. Vergeet niet te abonneren als je deze video leuk vindt. En ja, heel erg bedankt voor je steun, voor je liefde. En ik waardeer het echt. Thank you guys so much for your love and support, Team Fullest. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. This is your girl AMIFULLEST, Team Fullest. Peace out. Bye. Doeg.